Hi there, students. To equate, to be equivalent to. Okay, this means that two things are of the same amount, of the same value. They're not exactly the same, but they have the same weight, the same value, the same action. They do the same thing, although they are not the same thing. In mathematics, it would be equal to, rather than three lines exactly equal to. So, for example, maybe you need a medicine, and the pharmacist says, I'm sorry, the chemist says, I haven't got this medicine, but I can give you an equivalent. Okay, the equivalent is something that does the same job. Yeah, it equates to, the effect of one equates to the effect of the other. Or perhaps if you are on holiday in a country with another currency, that is the equivalent to. So this costs £10. Okay, that equates to about 11 euros. Yeah, that equates to 11 euros. Okay, it's not it's not 11 euros, but the amount is the same as. Okay, so if you equate one thing or to another, you believe that they are strongly connected. Some people equate regional accents with regional thinking. Okay, so to connect, to identify, to mean that the two things are equal to each other. Okay, so to equate to, or to be equivalent to. If one amount or another is the equivalent of another, they are the same. 10 grams of sugar is equivalent to 40 calories. Yeah, I think that's right. A litre of beer is equivalent to 4 units of alcohol. Okay, or it's equivalent, it's equal. So the President of the United States, the equivalent in the UK is the Prime Minister, the counterpart, the corresponding one. Okay, the equivalent of, it means two things are effectively the same. Yeah. Okay. He has suffered the equivalent of being sacked. He hasn't been sacked, but it's something that is very similar to it. Okay, so to equate to make equal, to equalize, to make an allowance or a correction so that it makes two things equal. So we need to equate these two things. I need to put some more on this one, to equate them. To equate, to treat, to represent, to regard as equal, as comparable. Comparability is the essence of these two words. Okay, if he says no, that doesn't equate to an argument between both of you. Okay, so to equate, to consider one thing to be the same as another. This house cost £500 in 1962, which equates to £250,000 today. Okay, so equate, to make two things or more things the same in value, the same in quantity, the same in amount, to equate. Okay, so to equate, to consider two things to be the same. What you're doing equates to political suicide, or to equate, to connect two things in your mind. So having a university degree equates to being an intellectual in many people's mind. Okay, equivalent to, $35 is equivalent to about £30. He's taken a new job and he's doing an equivalent job in a different country or in a different company. Okay, men and women should be paid the same amount for doing equivalent jobs. Hiding the truth is the equivalent to lying. Having the same equivalent to something that has the same amount, the same purpose, the same value. Okay, there is no equivalent to the Spanish verb estar. It means to be, but it means temporarily. To equate to consider or to think of as equal. Okay, the mistake he's made equates to a silly little mistake. It's not relevant. If they increase taxes, this will equate to to failure of their policy. Okay, so to equate to formality. 6, use anywhere. So to equate to 6 in formality. To be the equivalent to 5 in formality, use anywhere as well. And then as to the origin, so equivalent, equal, valent, equivalentem in Latin, equal value, have equal power. And equate from aequatus in Latin, aequo, equal. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Equate, to be equivalent to.